Good afternoon everybody and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to make a very yummy, a very chocolatey and a very chippy recipe because today we're going to be making muffins with chocolate chip. And the first ingredient is 1 small spoon of bicarbonate of soda, 70 milliliters of milk, 10 grams of baking powder, 1 pinch of salt, chocolate chips, which are 50 grams, 1 egg, 50 grams of sugar, 130 grams of flour 00, and 60 grams of butter. Sugar and the butter. Put it in. Put it in. And then you can get the hand mixer and you can start mixing. You put it in and then you start mixing again. I can get the bicarbonate and put it in. Then the pinch of salt. And then the baking powder. And then you start mixing. I have now put the milk in and I have got a spatula and I have started to mix. Now keep on mixing until it becomes smooth. Now you get the chocolate chips and you put them in and then you mix them very well. Then you get the cupcake and you put them in. You have to get the mixture and you have to fill up the cupcake containers, 2/3 of it. You can put more chocolate chips on top, maybe 2 or 3 or 4 in each. There we go. Just so that then they have a bit more. There. And then you can put them on a static oven. It has to be already warm at 180 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes. These are my wonderful chocolate chip muffins. I really hope you enjoy them because I definitely will. And I really hope that you enjoyed watching it and making it. Thank you so much. Bye.